All right, let's see what comes inside the box here. So open it up. Got your user manual here. The electrostatic cleaner, which is going to be great for putting it on your windshield. You want to use this first. Let's take a look at the camera itself. Put it up here. Wow. This is really nice, very lightweight, compact, which I like. You can see the adhesive stickers right here. That swivels up and down, so when you place that on top of your windshield, you're going to be able to adjust the angle to however you want to see. It does have a super wide angle lens, so you're going to be able to see great angle on your car and what's in front of you there. It comes with a micro SD card here. This is a 32 gigabyte one, which is great. Have the charging port right there, and on the back is the screen. So let's see what else it comes with. Side here. All right, so this is the charging cable. So you can connect that to your cigarette lighter inside your car. And this is a really long cable, which is nice. So you can put it either in the front windshield or the back of your car. You'll be able to feed that through, kind of tuck that away in your car. And if you wanted to put it in the rear of your car, be able to see from behind, this would be a great way of doing it. I also love how with this charging cable here, that you can actually plug another USB port into the back of it. That way, if you need extra access to that power, it's available for you. It does come with a static cleaner, so you're going to peel that off, put that on the windshield where you want to place it. I'm going to place it right below my rearview mirror here. You're going to make sure that you get all the air bubbles out, and then you're going to take the adhesive tape off of the camera, and you're just going to stick it right where you want on top of that static cleaner. So that's going to hold nice and steady for you. You're going to plug it in on the side just like this. And then when you turn your car on, every time you turn your car on, it starts automatically for you. Just gives you a great overall picture from the back there. You can see that it's really nice, clear picture. You can adjust this back and forth however you need to. That's the power button. Automatically turns on if you have it connected into a power outlet when you turn your car on. On this side over here, that's where you're going to plug it in. Your SD card is right there, so you can take that out if you want to look at the footage. It does save critical data, so if you do have a big stop, it will recognize that. It kind of shakes the camera and it knows to save that footage. Otherwise, it will continuously override old footage to put new footage back in there for you. This is just a great high-def quality camera for your car. It works great during the day. It has night vision technology in it, so you get a crystal clear, very sharp picture at night. It's just an amazing overall car camera. You can actually pull the data off of the card here from an app on your phone, which is very convenient. Just a great quality camera. Super easy to install, easy to use, highly recommend. Thanks for watching.